Thank you to our Mauritanian customer for ordering EA960F3 outdoor LED advertising display. EA960F3 outdoor LED advertising display is a new generation of fixed outdoor LED display screens, featuring an aluminum alloy cabinet with dimensions of 960 by 960 by 77mm and an IP65 protection rating. The power box uses a quick lock design for easy and fast assembly and disassembly. The LED modules use a hardwired connection design for high stability. The LED panel supports front and rear maintenance modes, saving maintenance costs, facilitating installation, and saving space. Each LED panel is equipped with a safety strap to effectively prevent module detachment and damage. For aesthetic purposes, we have adopted a cable-free design, with power and data cables hidden at the bottom of the panel.